everyone, and welcome back to day 3 of learning King of My Heart. So 2 days ago, we learned verse 1 and the chorus. Yesterday, we learned verse 2 and the bridge. Today, we are going to walk through the whole song from top to bottom. Okay, I'll try to go a little slower than the music does, just to kind of ease you into tomorrow's video when we sign with the music. Remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there's a link to pronounce the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so starts with verse 1. Let the king of my heart be the mountain where I run, the fountain I drink from. Oh, he is my song. And let the king of my heart be the shadow where I hide, the ransom for my life. Oh, he is my song. Okay, and then it goes into the chorus, which is just that nice, easy line that you are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh. Okay, and then it moves into verse number 2. Let the king of my heart be the wind, and you want to blow the wind inside my sails, the anchor in the waves. Oh, he is my song. And let the king of my heart be the fire inside my veins, the echo of my days. Oh, he is my song. And then that repeats, okay? So let the king of my heart be the wind inside my sails, the anchor in the waves. Oh, he is my song. And let the king of my heart be the fire inside my veins, the echo of my days. Oh, he is my song. Okay? And then it goes on. It goes back to that chorus that you are good, good. Oh, and that's 4 times. And then it goes on to that bridge where it's the same line repeated 7 times, that you're never gonna let me down. 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 And then after that, it goes back again to the chorus that you are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh. And then after the chorus, once again, it goes back to the bridge, but this time it's only 4 times where it says, you're never gonna let me down. You're never gonna let me down. And then the very end, just twice, it's like, you are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh. And that's the end of the song. Okay, so practice that as many times as you need to. The chorus and the bridge are super simple, very repetitive. So really it's just a matter of mastering that verse 1 and verse 2. Practice as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we sign with the music. Bye. I hope above all that wherever you are healthy and that you are well, and that you always remember that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. I hope you have a great day. Bye.